so today I'm going to be doing a video on this braided wig that I am wearing from NeatandSleek. If you guys want to see how I did this and applied it and everything, please go ahead and continue to watch and let's see how I did this. Okay, so I've got this wig from NeatandSleek. This is how the cap construction is looking. As you can see, there's braids all along this. This is a full lace unit. They already pre-bleached the knots on here, so you can already see, like, it looks really natural once I put my hand on the inside. Even when I put my arm, it looks like my skin tone, so the lace is super transparent. It's actually really soft. I'm really excited to try this on because I've never worn braids before, besides like me being in like elementary. It's a waist length unit. The cap size is a size small because my head is smaller, and yeah, it's a full lace wig. So this is how everything is looking. They also braided the baby hairs for you, so I'm gonna go ahead and just brush these out. Actually, I think first I should cut this because there's still lace on here, and then see how it fits on my head.
Then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there.
Okay, folks, so I just finished applying this unit. This is how it's looking at the top, on the side, everything. I'm gonna zoom out for y'all so y'all can see the full effect of it, but I've never seen like, it's so wild to see me in braids like this. Definitely this makes me want to get my hair actually braided. This is just refreshing to just have a company that I can like go to and get a braided wig like this. I think it is super easy to put on. They really did a good job with the lace and just how realistic it looks. Like, this looks amazing. I'm fooling myself right now. I feel like I actually have braids on my head when I actually don't. And also I like how it has like blonde ends. At first I was wanting just all black, but honestly I really like how this is looking on me. This looks super cute. I really want to do my makeup right now though for Instagram and like take some pictures and also show y'all how I'm gonna do a couple different styles with this unit. Okay guys, so this is how the final look on this unit is looking. I absolutely love it. I finished doing my makeup and everything. I think it looks really good. I'm gonna go take some pictures outside, but again, they sent me the Judy wig full lace unit, and this is waist length hair, and it's the same color as the hair in the picture on the website, so it's got a nice gradient going with blonde at the bottom and obviously black roots. And I went in and I just kind of plucked the frontal a little bit as well, and I got a cap size small. So what I really do like is just about the construction again of the unit and the lace and everything. It's very well made. The actual hair itself I don't think is completely human hair, but it doesn't need to be because it's already braided hair obviously, so you really don't need it to be human hair for it to really work, I guess. But I know that the lace in the front is definitely a good texture as far as to manipulate it. It's almost like my real hair if I were to like straighten it out and stuff. Yeah, oh, this is so cute. Yeah, this comes out to $274 even. You are getting a very good quality unit, and yeah, it's basically full lace all in the back. So I'm gonna show y'all how it looks in the back as well, which I have not put any foundation on, so just know that's how it looks. Yeah, I think that's literally all that I have to talk about this wig. Again, thank you to NeatandSleek for sending me this awesome unit. I really loved putting this look together. I'm going to, actually before I go, I'm gonna try on a different look, or a few different looks with this hair, so y'all can see. I'm just gonna do it like all the way down. Like this is honestly how I would leave it. I would honestly just leave it at the side part and kind of have this part like maybe behind my ear or something. This also comes with some alcohol wipes, so I guess it's really good for you as like a prep pad if you wanna go ahead and like do your Got2b glue or just hair glue in general. I'm gonna try to pin this. I'll be right back. Okay, so I was able to pin this like on the side. I think this looks so pretty like this, just having it a little bit here, a little bit in the front where the sideburns supposed to be, and then having it pinned back on this side. Let's twist this up. Wow, okay, I love this. This is the perfect summertime unit, you guys. Okay, so definitely I'm feeling this wig. I really like it a lot. I need to go take some intro shots right now. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this braided wig down below in the description box, so be sure to go ahead and check it out from NeatandSleek, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.